Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. If it's your very first time here, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos. And I'm back with another amazing video. Today I'm preparing egg curry, and here are our ingredients. I used 6 boiled eggs, 2 sliced onions, 2 sliced tomatoes, coriander leaves, coconut milk, cardamom powder, black pepper, curry powder, garam masala, cumin powder, salt and tomato paste. So I started by adding turmeric and chili powder and cooking oil, then mix them properly. After that, we're going to add your eggs, then fry them for a while for like 2 minutes, then you can remove them. After removing the eggs, add your onions, let them turn golden brown so that you can add your spices. After adding all your spices, you can stir for a while, then you can now add your tomatoes. After your tomatoes are well cooked, you can now add your tomato paste. Mix everything properly and let it boil for like 2 minutes, then you can add your coconut cream. So while adding your coconut cream, make sure you stir it till it starts boiling. So after your mixture has boiled, you can now add your eggs, your boiled eggs. So mix them properly, then you can add your coriander leaves, then let it boil for about 3 minutes, then you can remove it. And here is our egg curry. If you really enjoyed my video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos. So till next time, bye.